we do anything. Papagalitan ako for sure ng aking girlfriend kasi hindi ko na naman sinasama yung kamay. Binibitawan ko na naman daw yung manubela. Ayun guys, iikot lang tayo. Wala lang, just for the heck of it. Wow, medyo paus pa kasi party, you know, chill. So guys, ayun. Oops. Ayun, umiikot lang ako. Tsaka gusto ko rin magmotor kasi I miss this. I miss this bike. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, guys. Ayun, ano pa ba yung mga nakalimutan ko? By the way, yung 5,000 subscriber na meet and greet natin, yeah, I will be doing that next year for sure. And sigurado na ako, magkorkolon lomi tayo. For those who gusto mong pumunta, i-announce ko next year yung paano makapunta, paano and stuff. i-announce ko next year. Sure na yung Corcolon Lomi. Eh, hindi ko lang alam kung anong date. So, abangan. Okay. Next year, marami tayong gagawin. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and see you on the next vlog. Sarap ngayon. Again guys, thank you sa panonood. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see more, check out my other vlogs. And see you there. Yun lang. I'm out.